Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. We are expecting our second baby any day now, and I wanted to get a new bedside bassinet that was super versatile. I love this one from Uuoeebb. I really appreciate that you can have it so that it has a slight incline because my son had reflux and that is super helpful. It is very easy to switch to bedside sleeper mode. It takes no time at all. And I also love how easy it is to roll around. Not that we plan on moving the baby around that much, but it is so easy, and the travel bag is awesome. It is lightweight. As you can see, I can carry it while being 8 months pregnant, and it was really awesome to put together. My husband did it in just a few minutes. It pops right up and the mattress goes right in. One of the coolest features this has, though, is that it has this detachable changing station, which is so awesome. You can have a designated spot anywhere in your house, and it is so sturdy. It also has the buckle if you have an active baby, so you don't have to worry that they're going to roll off. And it is super soft, and I love the quilted pattern on it. You can also change this bassinet to a cradle mode by easily moving the wheels up, and then it rocks very gently. Whether you're looking for yourself or a friend, I highly recommend this bedside sleeper. It is one of the only ones that I have seen that comes with the changing station on it, and it is so easy to take on the go. I highly recommend it, and you will love it, but that's just my point of view.